Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open the Settings app and tap Bluetooth to view paired devices. Locate the device that vibrates and tap the info icon. If your phone shows a vibration toggle, turn it off immediately to stop haptic alerts. Next, open Sound or Accessibility and disable vibration for connected devices and system haptics. If the toggle is missing, choose Forget or Unpair on the device to sever the connection and end vibration notifications. Open the Headset or Earbud Companion app and disable vibration or alerts for that device. If an app controls haptics, turn off vibration, notifications, and call alerts inside the app. Use Do Not Disturb on the phone to block Bluetooth alerts temporarily while keeping connectivity active. You can also lower or mute the peripheral's volume in the app or on the device to prevent vibration triggers during calls or media playback. Update firmware on both the phone and the Bluetooth peripheral to fix known vibration bugs and incompatibilities. Restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth off and on to clear temporary pairing errors and cache settings. If problems persist, remove the device from paired lists and pair it again to reset profiles. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the peripheral following manufacturer instructions to erase buggy configurations that cause unwanted vibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.